Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Linux Mint 22.2 Mate edition on VMware Workstation. First go to Linux Mint official website and download. It is linuxmint.com. See here the latest release is Linux Mint 22.2. Then click on download. See here we have the editions like Cinnamon, XFCE and Mate. For XFCE and Cinnamon you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on VMware or VirtualBox. Click on download. See, its size is about 3 gigabytes. If you want to download by using torrent, you have to click on this 64-bit. If you want to download by direct method, click on any one of these methods. No need to register. Go to download. See here, download started and its size is about 2.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded Linux Mint Mate edition ISO image. Okay, in your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then select the installer disk image file. Then select the browse and go to downloads. Select the downloaded ISO image. Then click on open. Then click on next. Then select guest operating system as Linux and version as Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is a virtual machine hardware information. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on hardware. Otherwise, click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings. Or right click and select settings. Or just select it and go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, here we can provide. If you are okay with all the settings, click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is start Linux Mint, and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. See here, if you want to use this for testing purpose, use and shut down. But if you want to install permanently, right click on this install Linux Mint and select the open. Then select the language and click on continue. Then select keyboard layout. I am going with the defaults. Click on continue. If you want to install multimedia codecs, select the checkbox. If you don't want, unselect it and click on continue. See, this is the fresh installation, so I am going to select erase disk and install Linux Mint. And advanced features, see, if you want to use the LVM with new Linux Mint installation, you have to select this one. And if you want to encrypt, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want, it is up to you. Then click on OK. Then click on install now. This is confirmation, click on continue. Now we have to configure the time zone. By default, it is selected as for the system settings. But you can select on the globe or you can search in the search box. I am okay with the default, so click on continue. Now we have to create our setup user. This is the user full name. Then this is the computer name or host name. We can also change this later. This is the username. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Click on restart now. See here the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Right click on this virtual machine, go to settings, then go to CD DVD and select the checkboxes if they are checked in the device status. Then click on OK. Then come to virtual machine and hit enter to restart the virtual machine. Now provide the password of this user. Hit enter. If you don't want this dialog box, every time it start up, unselect it and click on close. Now open terminal, increase the font size, verify the version more /etc ys-release. See, we have installed Linux Mint 22 and its Ubuntu code name is Noble, means it is like Ubuntu 24.04. The first step after connecting to Linux Mint is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt before that verify the IP of the machine, ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, so update the packages. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. This will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Linux Mint 22.2 Mate Edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.